Can an atom have a hollow core, missing its heart but keeping its shell? That's the strange reality behind the hollow atom effect, a quantum phenomenon where an atom is struck by high-energy particles, or photons, with such force that its inner electrons are ejected while the outer electrons remain temporarily intact. This creates a paradoxical state, a seemingly stable atom with a hole deep in its structure. Normally, inner electrons are the most tightly bound and the last to go, so seeing them vanish before the outer ones challenges our classical intuition about how atoms fall apart. But how is this even possible? Under intense bombardment, like in X-ray free electron lasers or high-energy collisions, photons can selectively knock out inner shell electrons in a matter of femtoseconds, faster than the outer electrons can react. For a brief moment, the atom exists in a hollowed-out, unstable configuration. This exotic state then rapidly collapses, often emitting cascades of secondary particles or radiation as outer electrons fall inward to fill the vacancy. It reveals just how dynamic and time-sensitive atomic structure really is, not a rigid shell, but a living, flickering hierarchy of energy and motion. The hollow atom effect opens a new window into ultrafast atomic physics, where structure and chaos coexist in fractions of a trillionth of a second. How can an atom lose its innermost electrons, those bound tightest to the nucleus, yet hold on to its outer electrons, creating a bizarre hollow configuration? Imagine a noble gas atom perched on a metal surface, a highly charged ion, say a xenon, stripped of dozens of electrons, barrels in at high speed. Before it can pluck away the atom's outer shells, it first snatches away the core electrons, leaving behind a hollowed-out electronic structure. But why do inner electrons go first? When a fast, highly charged ion approaches, the atom's electric field is distorted so strongly that inner shell electrons tunnel out or are collisionally ejected. Outer electrons, held more loosely and farther from the nucleus, take longer to respond, so they linger in high-energy orbits, forming a temporary electron donut around an empty core. What happens next inside this hollow atom? Vacancies in the deep shells trigger a frantic cascade. Electrons from outer shells fall inward, emitting X-rays or ejecting other electrons, the Auger effect. This rapid restructuring can take femtoseconds, but until it completes, the atom exists in its hollow state, its innards briefly missing. Could such instability be useful? Absolutely. Researchers exploit hollow atoms to study surface chemistry and generate bright X-ray bursts. In free electron lasers, intense pulses rip core electrons away faster than they can refill, letting scientists watch matter transform in real time. Does this effect occur only in exotic labs? No, similar processes happen in cosmic rays striking planetary atmospheres and in fusion plasmas. Everywhere, extreme electromagnetic fields meet neutral atoms, hollow configurations flicker into being. In essence, the hollow atom effect reveals nature's ability to juggle electrons under extreme conditions, carving out ephemeral voids at an atom's heart. It reminds us that even the most fundamental particles can dance to surprising rhythms when pushed far from equilibrium. The hollow atom effect occurs when an atom loses one or more inner shell electrons faster than its outer electrons, creating a transient state with vacant core levels surrounded by intact valence shells. This phenomenon defies the usual expectation that ionization proceeds from the outermost electrons inward. Hollow atoms form under extreme conditions such as bombardment by highly charged ions or ultrafast X-ray pulses. When inner electrons are ejected almost instantaneously, despite the dramatic inner vacancies, the outer electrons remain momentarily bound, preserving a quasi-neutral shell around a positively charged core. When a slow, highly charged xenon ion grazes a metal surface, it can pluck away the atom's two innermost electrons, leaving the outer shell largely untouched. It is like scooping out the filling of a chocolate truffle in an instant, while the outer chocolate shell remains intact for a brief moment. Classical ionization envisions electrons being removed sequentially from the highest energy levels inward, since outer electrons require the least energy to free. In contrast, hollow atoms exhibit a reversed order. Deep-lying electrons vanish first, followed more slowly by the outer ones. This inversion arises because inner electrons can be stripped rapidly by strong localized fields or resonant photon absorption before the valence shell responds. Recognizing the hollow atom regime requires distinguishing between ordinary sequential charge states and these exotic core-deficient species. Under intense synchrotron radiation, neon atoms can lose their K-shell electrons, normally the most tightly bound, while retaining L-shell electrons for a fleeting instant. It is like knocking out the foundation stones of a building first, yet seeing the upper floors suspended in midair before they collapse. At the microscopic level, hollow atoms emerge when processes such as inner shell photoionization or Auger decay outpace outer shell ionization. A single high-energy photon can eject a tightly bound core electron, creating a deep vacancy that takes longer to refill via slower outer shell transitions. In highly charged ion impacts, multiple inner electrons can be stripped in close succession as the projectile's Coulomb field distorts the atom's potential. The resulting atom momentarily carries a positive charge envelope with pronounced inner holes. An ultrafast laser pulse delivering photons of 10,000 electron-volt energy can preferentially remove two 1s electrons in carbon, producing a hollow state. It is like blasting the central gears out of a clock with a laser while the outer hands keep spinning before the mechanism fails. Once inner electrons are removed, the atom enters a highly unstable configuration. Electrons from higher shells quickly cascade down to fill the deep vacancy, emitting characteristic X-rays or ejecting secondary electrons in Auger cascades. The competition between these refill channels and further ionization determines the hollow atom's lifetime and decay pathways. Modeling these ultrafast dynamics requires accounting for both quantum transition rates and transient electric field distortion. In argon, a double 2p vacancy decays within femto to picoseconds, as L-shell electrons fall inward and release two characteristic X-ray photons. It is like a vacant seat in a crowded theater, being filled instantly by patrons rushing from the back rows, each movement triggering a brief wave of shuffling. Hollow atoms form readily when highly charged ions approach a solid surface. The atom's outer electrons tunnel onto the projectile, while inner electrons remain bound until collision. In hot, dense plasma, such as those in laser-produced fusion experiments, intense fields strip core electrons while outer shells are shielded by plasma screening. Both scenarios create the right imbalance of ionization rates to produce hollow configurations. Thus, surface science and plasma physics provide natural laboratories for studying hollow atoms. Experiments with gold surfaces bombarded by 60-charged neon ions reveal hollow atom X-ray signatures as the ions rebound. It is like a strong wind peeling layers from the inside of a dandelion seed head while the outer fluff clings on briefly. Hollow atoms exist only for incredibly short times, often femtoseconds, before their core vacancies are filled or the outer electrons are stripped away. The transient nature means their properties are governed by highly nonlinear kinetics, where slight changes in excitation energy or environment produce large shifts in lifetime. Observing these fleeting states demands ultrafast spectroscopy synchronized to the ion or photon pulses. The ephemeral characters of hollow atoms underscore the extreme regime of atomic physics they inhabit. Time-resolved X-ray spectroscopy captures neon hollow states decaying in under 10 femtoseconds after inner shell ionization. It is like freezing lightning in mid-strike. A brilliant flash that disappears almost as soon as you catch a glimpse. Hollow atoms emit unique X-ray lines during their decay cascades, providing powerful diagnostics for elemental and chemical analysis. In surface science, these X-rays reveal local electronic structures and charge transfer dynamics at interfaces. Hollow atom generation may also enhance brightness in tabletop X-ray lasers by exploiting cascade emission. Thus, harnessing the effect opens new avenues in analytical spectroscopy and compact light sources. Using hollow atom-induced X-ray emission, researchers map nickel and cobalt distributions at catalyst surfaces with nanometer resolution. It is like using a firefly's light to illuminate the fine details inside a dark cave. Detecting hollow atoms requires ultra-high vacuum chambers, precisely controlled ion beams or femtosecond X-ray pulses, and detectors with sub-picosecond time resolution. Theoretical models must combine quantum electrodynamics for core transitions with many-body interactions for outer shell dynamics, a formidable computational task. Disentangling hollow atom signals from overlapping spectral lines and background processes adds further complexity. Advancing both experimental and theoretical tools is crucial to fully characterize these exotic states. Simulations of krypton hollow atom decay demand solving tens of thousands of coupled rate equations for accurate spectral predictions. It is like untangling dozens of overlapping violin tracks in an orchestra recording to isolate the sound of a single instrument. Emerging X-ray free electron lasers with attosecond pulse durations promise to create and probe hollow atoms with unprecedented temporal precision. Insights gained may inform controlled manipulation of inner shell electrons for quantum computing or targeted radiation therapies. In astrophysics, hollow atom physics helps interpret X-ray spectra from hot cosmic plasmas and accretion disks. Ultimately, exploring hollow atoms extends our mastery of ultrafast high-field atomic phenomena and deepens our understanding of matter under extreme conditions. Planned experiments at next-generation light sources aim to produce triple hollow atoms in silicon for studies of 3 electron vacancy interactions. It is like choreographing a high-speed dance of electrons inside an atom and watching the performance unfold in real time.